Hi guys! Today we are learning how to use Google Drive for beginners in 2026. First, unlock your phone and open Google Drive from the Play Store or App Store. If you don't have it installed, simply download it first. Now sign in using your Google account. This will connect your storage and sync all your files automatically. Once you log in, you will see your Drive homepage. From here, you can start uploading or managing files. Now look at the bottom right corner and tap the plus icon. This is the main button used for uploading or creating new files. Honestly, this is the most important feature in Google Drive. So once you tap it, a menu will open. Now you will see different options like Upload, Scan, and Folder. Tap on Upload if you want to add photos or documents. You can also scan documents directly using your camera. So choose the option that fits your need. Now select files from photos, videos, or browse. You can upload anything from your phone storage easily. This makes Google Drive very powerful for backup. So choose your file carefully and upload it. Now if you want to find any file, tap the search bar at the top, type the name or keyword of your file. Google Drive will instantly show all matching results. This saves a lot of time when you have many files. And that's how you can easily use Google Drive in 2026 step by step. It's a very useful tool for storing and accessing your files anywhere. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to subscribe and leave a comment for more simple guides like this.